guys, welcome back to Ed's Learning. Today we're gonna do roly-poly down the hill. Bye. Oh my god, that was cold and fun. Again. But this time the painful route. Dib's going first. Okay. To do the painful route. We're in the Abadares and it's so cold. It was raining last night, and as you can see here, there's water on the grass, and we have that grass on us, so it was soaked. But guys, remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you try this at home. It's really fun, isn't it? Yes. Very, very fun. But obviously you need to have a shower at the end. We're not going to show that. Bye.